Using DbSchema you can connect to any relational database and a bunch of NoSql databases. Connecting to the database you have to specify the host where the database server is located and the authentication information. Then you can choose the schemes you want to work on. Now your first project is created, with one layout for each selected schema and one sample layout with tools. DbSchema is using projects to manage the schema. The project include the schema structure and the layouts. Projects allows to deploy one schema on multiple databases. Projects will be saved to file. Next time we start DbSchema the project will be loaded from the file, even if the database is not available. After reopen, to ensure the project schema is the same as in the database, press Refresh Schema from Database. From the connection menu you can connect to a different database or choose the offline mode. Now let's have a closer look to the diagrams, also called layouts. We can create as many layouts as we want, with the same or different tables. In this way we can organize a large schema in smaller layouts. Tables can be added by drag and drop from the structure tree. Layouts will be saved to the project file and later can be reopened from the menu. Columns used in foreign keys are marked with a small arrow on the right. By pressing it the opposite foreign key table can be added to the layout. Double-click any table, column or foreign key to edit. From the menu you can choose to show the column data type. Foreign keys can be created by drag and drop of one column over the primary key column. They can be marked as virtual and they won't be created in the database. Virtual foreign keys are used in Relational Data Browse and Query Builder. Good documentation is crucial for a good database design. For each table or column you can set comments. From the menu you can generate HTML5 documentation, with vector image of the schema. This can be open in any browser, is very compact and interactive. Table and column comments are visible as mouse over tooltips. Relational Data Browse is an efficient data explorer from multiple tables at a time. Relational Data Browse can be started by simply clicking one of the table headers. By pressing this arrow you may open further tables bound by foreign keys or virtual foreign keys. You can cascade as deep as you like, there is no restriction about the number of tables. Navigating data in one table will update the children tables with the matching records. Right-click column headers to set filters. Double-click any cell to edit the data. You can insert new records. The Relational Data Browse will be saved to the project file and will show as it is next time you start DbSchema. In this way you can create your own perspective over the data and later reuse it. The Query Builder is an efficient, visual way of building database queries. Start the editor by clicking any table header. Join further tables based on foreign keys or virtual foreign keys. The join type can be changed to left outer join, or exists. Aggregate functions and group by can be used. For editing and executing SQL queries as text you can use the SQL editor. The editor features text auto-completion, script execution and graphical explain plan. For generating random data you may use the random data generator. The generator features pre-configured patterns and reverse regular expressions. Schema synchronization allows to compare the project schema with any database or other project file. For each difference you can decide an action and modify the internal DbSchema project or the database. SQL migration scripts can be generated. The project file is in XML format and can be shared in a team using any versioning system. In the end, our team wishes you much fun with DbSchema and databases. For any issues or features, please contact our support.